Simplifying square roots. This is a digital lesson. And the lesson starts with explaining what square roots are, with a little review, and then give some examples of some perfect squares. So in the next slide, students are just going to put an X in the box next to any of these that are perfect squares. Then it shows students how to simplify a square root that's not a perfect square. So you want to find two factors of this number in which one of them is a perfect square. So in the case of square root of 20, you can divide that into two factors, square root of 4 and square root of 5, because square root of 4 is a perfect square, and you can simplify that to 2. So our simplified answer would be 2 square root of 5. There's another example on the next slide. Square root of 27, we can divide that into square root of 9 times the square root of 3, because square root of 9 is a perfect square. And we get our answer of 3 square root of 3. Now, students have several that they're going to work on solving. Each one has a purple letter next to the answer. So you can see each one of these when you have the answer. You can see that there's a letter in purple. They're going to use that letter on the final slide to solve a riddle. Why do plants hate math? So they're going to find all of these answers on the previous slides, and they're going to type in that letter that was in purple. And if they've done it correctly, it should solve the riddle. So that is a digital lesson on simplifying square roots.